Number 3, it's too risky. I can't afford to mess around with this. I understand that concern completely. When you're in your 40s, 50s, or even 60s, you might have mortgages, college tuitions, aging parents to care for, retirement to think about. The idea of taking risks can feel irresponsible or even terrifying. But let's reframe what risk really means. Yes, while risk is always a factor in entrepreneurship, let's put things in perspective. Every stage of life involves risk, and staying in your current situation might actually be riskier than you think. Consider this. Job security isn't what it used to be. Companies downsize, industries change, and age discrimination, while illegal, is a real thing. Relying solely on a traditional job or someone else's business plan for your financial security might actually be the bigger risk. When we talk about starting a business, we're not talking about quitting your job tomorrow and investing your life savings in an untested idea. We're talking about smart, calculated risks that minimize downside while maximizing potential upside. Start small and test your ideas before making major investments. Many successful online businesses begin as side hustles that gradually grow into full-time ventures. This approach allows you to keep your current income while building something new. Do your homework thoroughly. Research your market, understand your customers, and validate your business idea before investing significant time or money. Your life experience actually gives you an advantage here because you've learned to be more thorough and thoughtful in your decision-making. Plan diligently and create multiple scenarios. What's your best case outcome? What's your worst case scenario? What's your most likely path? Having these mapped out helps you make informed decisions and sleep better at night. Build a support system with people who believe in you and your vision. This might include family members, friends, mentors, or other entrepreneurs who can provide guidance and encouragement. Consider the opportunity cost of not taking action. What will your life look like in 5 years if you stay exactly where you are now? Will you regret not trying? Sometimes the biggest risk is the risk of regret. Taking calculated risks doesn't imply recklessness. It means being smart about potential pitfalls and strategizing your way around them. It means having contingency plans and exit strategies. It means starting with small bets that won't devastate you if they don't work out. Taking that first step can be intimidating, but it's also the beginning of an exciting journey full of opportunity. And remember, at this stage in your life, you have advantages that younger entrepreneurs don't. Better judgment, more resources, stronger networks, and clearer priorities. The decision to start my own business instead of pursuing another job was a difficult one. There was a lot of soul searching and tears as I struggled with, could I do it? How will I pay my bills? Who will help me? And oh, so many other things. But here's the thing. Somewhere along the way, I realized that I was my own best asset. I could not only do this, I could do it on my own terms, in my own way, working on the things that mattered to me. Once I adjusted my mindset to understand that working my plan in order to help someone else with their plan was not only fulfilling to me, but was exactly the right attitude for success. It became crystal clear to me that helping others was my passion, and I could do this. I didn't need another job, just my own desire to help others while building a brand I could be proud of.